Did you know some people think seniors eat only tapioca pudding and grapefruit halves? Shocking, right? Newsflash. We've got taste buds, and yes, we've even heard of kale. The myths about senior nutrition are as outdated as rotary phones. Don't eat carbs, they say. You only need 3 bites a day, they warn. Meanwhile, you're over here eyeing the cheeseburger like a hawk. The truth? Our nutritional needs evolve, or they should evolve. But we don't suddenly transform into low-calorie robots after 60. The real challenge is navigating a jungle of bad advice. Your niece tells you to go keto, your neighbor swears by celery juice, and the internet wants you to eat like a caveman. But seniors have unique needs like keeping bones strong, managing energy, and staying sharp. Cutting out entire food groups isn't just impractical, really. It can be downright harmful. And let's not even talk about how many of these superfoods taste like cardboard.
Here's the deal. Seniors can and should enjoy a balanced, colorful diet. Forget the fad diets. Lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and yes, dessert are part of a sustainable plan.
Nutrition isn't about rules. It's about fuel. Think about using regular gasoline in a high-performance Mustang. It won't run very well. Eating well keeps you energized for pickleball showdowns and that Zumba class where you outshine everyone half your age.
Remember, one of your main jobs as a senior is to practice prevention, just like tending your vegetable garden after the growing season. Because if you don't care for it, it turns into a gnarly, tangled mess. If you don't stay on top of your health and fitness, you'll pay the price with more illness and accidents because you haven't been eating a good diet or haven't kept your body strong and mobile.
Yeah, I know. You have some creaks and soreness, but get over it. It comes with the territory. You might want to use a brace for your knee or take an ibuprofen for soreness, but do your best and keep working your body.
Action steps. Have your labs done. I have my blood drawn every 6 months to make sure that all systems are running as they should. Plan meals with a mix of protein, veggies, and carbs. Your plate should look like a rainbow. Stay hydrated. Coffee counts, but water wins. Consult a dietitian. Get advice tailored to you, and keep it joyful. Life's too short to skip the occasional brownie.
The bottom line? Nutrition myths don't define you. Eat smart, eat happy, and let the kale chips fall where they may. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and follow.